The next recipient of the Citizenship Award is P.Eng.
When I joined Bombardier in 1973, I was hired in structural research and noise. And at that time, it was a small department, so I got more and more specialized. I was the noise man. And I've been certifying most of the products that de Havilland Bombardier has made. Noise is unwanted sound. My technology background is in aeroacoustics. Certification of airplane is not just technology. It has to do with rules, regulations, and acoustics. So that's what I've been doing for a long time. And obviously, I'm involved in research, especially the latter part of my career. As an engineer and as a noise guy, I've always been the industry advisor of that field to the members of Transport Canada. I would basically tell them the technology, how it is done and what is matured to make sure that the products and the rules developed will not disadvantage Canadian products. Canada obviously is making a different types of airplanes than the world, and so we make a different type of airplanes like business jets, propeller planes, helicopters, and things like that. So we want to make sure that the rules that are passed are favorable to our types of products. In 2004, the chairman of the technology department came to me and he asked me, so what is Canada doing for the environment in the aviation? Well, at that time there were no federal funded programs in Canada. So I started a Green Aviation R&D network. So we're starting to have people to come in and all kinds of projects, and I'm very happy. It is very advantageous for the Canadian aviation community. I'm particularly interested in the environment. I want to make sure that Canada aviation industries can pull above its weight and fulfill our promise to the Paris Accord. Aviation is not a major impact compared with, say, factories and power plants and automobile in terms of impacting the future. But aviation is the leader in technology. So when we have solved environmental problems in aviation, that technology can trickle down to the other industries. I volunteer in engineering specific things and having R&D work. This is a volunteer work as well. And a lot of engineers should volunteer to place and get into research and development. They may not get anything right away back, but it is the spirit and the curiosity and discovery that will reward them later.
Through his professional and national service, engineer P.Eng has been an exemplary ambassador for the profession and is a worthy recipient of the Citizenship Award.